Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to send a Google Calendar invite. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. To invite someone to a calendar event on Google Calendar, start by clicking on an empty space on the calendar to create a new event. Enter the name and details of the event. Next, click on Add Guest and start typing the name or email address of the person you want to invite. If the person is already in your contacts, it may offer to autofill their information. You can also click on Find a Time to see if the person has any other events on their calendar. During that time, click Save and click Notify to send an email with the invite to the other person. They will get an email and option to respond to the event. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.